So I was maybe 5, 6. And there were pictures of Mars's surface being like, in the news. And I thought it was fascinating. Like even at that young age, I was looking at these pictures saying, that is a rock that I could never go pick up. I could walk all the way around the Earth and I could never get that rock. And so the idea of that fascinated me. And then I started looking at the stars. So I had a telescope and I just like to go outside and see meteor showers and everything. So my undergraduate degree is actually in astronomy. From a very early age, I wanted to be an astronaut. I have very bad eyesight, that was not going to happen. But I wanted to be an astronomer, I just loved it. And then when I was studying astronomy, I realized that it was the planetary stuff that I liked the most. So when I went to graduate school, I went for geology and focused on the geology of other planetary bodies. But it really all started with those images of Mars. It's always really exciting to be on a mission and just get your first views before everybody else. It's like this feeling of, ooh, I'm special. Occator Crater with the bright spots was probably the most instantly blowing away thing, but it was very early on when we were still just looking at approach pictures, and the framing camera team had put a series of pictures as Ceres rotated, and there was this little pimple of a thing poking off the limb end of Ceres. And I'd watch it rotate around and then kind of rotate it back and try and figure what that was. And that was Ahuna Mons, which you can see it's so much higher than everything else in Ceres, it just pokes up. So that is not the most instantly like wow, but very early on, just with this rotating image, you could see this thing and realize that that was something very unique and interesting that we were going to want to study, because it's not very often that you can see a topographic high like popping off the surface of a body. So it's like Neil Armstrong, one small step for man, one large step for mankind, giant step for mankind. It's like us as scientists, we're taking that first step and that first experience. So it's just a very awe-inspiring place to be.